Hello everyone. Today let's talk about sidebars and footers. Now you'll find that most of the newly designed or newly developed websites do not have sidebars and large footers that you find in all websites. In many old WordPress websites or other websites, you'll find lots of widgets, meaning menus or other widgets in the footer region, footer area, and left sidebar or right sidebar. You will find compulsory a sidebar in the left or on the right of the website. But nowadays, in the modern new websites, there is no sidebars, and headers and footers are becoming very minimal, simple and clean. Lots of negative space. So the question is, are sidebars and footer widgets irrelevant now? Answer is yes. Why? Well, before answering why it is irrelevant, we have to answer why we need sidebars and footer widgets. When someone scrolls down the website, if they want to navigate to other pages of the website, then they have to scroll up at the top for the menu or scroll down at the bottom for the footer menu. So for that we need sidebars. So to avoid scrolling up and down, we need sidebar to navigate to other pages of the website. It improves user experience, UX. So that's why we need sidebar. But now there is sticky header. Now the header is sticky, menu is sticky at the top or the bottom, so we can navigate anytime, anywhere in your website. So sidebar is irrelevant now. And for the footer too, in the footer we need footer menus. You'll find lots of footer menus in the footer widget area, footer widgets, menus, contact forms, maps, something like that. You'll find in footer region, footer widgets. But now, as you can see, you can make your footer sticky and your header sticky. So for the navigation, we no longer depend on those footer menus or footer widgets or sidebars. That's why sidebars and footer widgets are becoming irrelevant. Here, as you can see in this Facebook app or Facebook mobile website, here you'll find tab navigation menu. Tab navigation, this is tab navigation, these menu icons. And here at the top you'll find hamburger menu, and the icon navigation. So they are both sticky at the top and the bottom. So sidebars and those footer widgets is no longer necessary, but we have to use the combination of hamburger menu and tab navigation. Tab navigation at the bottom or the top here, this is a sort of tab navigation using design using icons. It is position at the top, but you can position at the bottom too for tab navigation like this. And you can use combination a hamburger menu at the top. In most of the mobile WordPress websites, by default in mobile phone, it will break down to hamburger menu like this, but you can also add tab navigation like this at the bottom, and you can combine both that, so to improve navigation of your website, to improve user experience. And getting back to our point, if sidebar and widgets are not relevant now, they are getting less and less important. So focus is simple and minimal header, with navigation with icons, hamburger menu, of converse hamburger menu, and tab navigation. So combination of converse, hamburger menu, and tab navigation. And those complicated mega menus and footer widgets, you can avoid them now. Those mega menus are not required. Those mega menus are not required in mobile phones, in mobile websites. So instead of mega menus, those complicated designs, we have to simplify the navigation, make it easier for the users, for the visitors to navigate in your website, to make it feel like a native mobile apps. So that's our target. Our target is to make the users, the visitors in your website, feel like they are navigating in a mobile native app. That's our target. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this simple idea is helpful to you. We have to simplify our header and footer. We have to use icon navigation, hamburger of converse navigation more, and less mega menus, and lots of less and less those sub menus.